Welcome to AliExpress, a shopper's paradise. AliExpress has become a global phenomenon. It's a massive online retail platform. You can find almost anything on AliExpress. Best of all, the prices are incredibly low. But there are some things you need to know before you start shopping. This guide will help you navigate AliExpress safely. We'll show you how to avoid scams. We'll also teach you how to shop smart and get the best deals. Get ready to discover a world of affordable products at your fingertips. Let's start by understanding what AliExpress is all about. Imagine a giant online marketplace. Now picture millions of sellers from around the world. That's AliExpress in a nutshell. It connects buyers like you with sellers offering a diverse range of products. From electronics and fashion to home goods and beauty products, the choices are endless. You can find brand names and independent sellers all in one place. This makes AliExpress a treasure trove of unique and affordable items. AliExpress is a truly global marketplace. It boasts over 100 million active buyers worldwide. In 2020 alone, AliExpress generated over $55 billion in revenue. These staggering numbers highlight the platform's immense popularity. But what drives this global appeal? The answer lies in AliExpress's competitive pricing. Products on AliExpress are often significantly cheaper than those found on other online retail platforms. This is because AliExpress connects buyers directly with manufacturers and suppliers, cutting out the middlemen and their markups. This direct-to-consumer model allows shoppers to access incredible deals and savings. Whether you're looking for trendy clothes, cutting-edge gadgets, or everyday essentials, AliExpress has something to offer everyone at unbeatable prices. While the low prices on AliExpress are enticing, it's essential to approach your shopping with caution. Not all sellers on the platform are created equal. Some sellers may engage in unethical practices, such as selling counterfeit products or providing inaccurate product descriptions. That's why it's crucial to learn how to identify trustworthy sellers. The key is to look for sellers with a proven track record of positive customer feedback. AliExpress has a seller rating system that can help you make informed decisions. Pay close attention to the seller's positive feedback rating. Look for sellers with a rating of 95% or higher. This indicates a history of satisfied customers. Additionally, take the time to read customer reviews. These reviews provide valuable insights into the seller's reliability, product quality, and customer service. Section 4. Unlocking the secrets of reviews. Reviews are your secret weapon when shopping on AliExpress. They offer a glimpse into the experiences of other buyers who have purchased from the same seller. By carefully reading and interpreting reviews, you can gain valuable information about the product and the seller. Start by focusing on reviews with images and videos. These reviews often provide the most authentic and detailed insights into the product's quality and condition. Pay attention to reviews that mention the accuracy of the product description, the seller's communication, and the shipping time. Be wary of overly positive reviews that sound too good to be true. These reviews might be fake or manipulated. Instead, look for reviews that provide a balanced perspective, highlighting both the positive and negative aspects of the product or seller. Section 5. Shopping safely on AliExpress, your guide to peace of mind. Now that you know how to identify trustworthy sellers and interpret reviews, let's explore some essential tips for safe shopping on AliExpress. By following these tips, you can minimize the risk of scams and ensure a positive shopping experience. 1. Use a secure payment method. Always use a secure payment method when making purchases on AliExpress. Avoid using public Wi-Fi networks when entering your payment information. 2. Read product descriptions carefully. Before adding an item to your cart, take the time to read the product description thoroughly. Pay attention to details such as size, color, material, and shipping information. 3. Communicate with sellers. Don't hesitate to contact the seller if you have any questions or concerns about the product. A reputable seller will be responsive to your inquiries and provide satisfactory answers. By following these tips and using your best judgment, you can confidently navigate the world of AliExpress and discover amazing deals without falling victim to scams. Remember, informed shoppers are empowered shoppers.